I want a cheap chair at Ollies. Hey Genevieve, guess what?
What?
I bought a chair at Ollies
Let's go do it.
for the cheesy studio. Let's put
You
it
mean
together.
Franky cheese.
Yeah, let's put it together.
Come on, guys.
I'm not sure what tools we need, but we'll find out. Ooh, I wonder what it is.
Let's open it.
I know. It was made in dun dun dun. All right, we got the child safety scissors. Oh, can you open up? This is a new chair for the Franky Cheese Studio.
There we go. Got the strings.
Whoa!
Guys, hold on, Daddy. Hold on. These are kid scissors, so I didn't want Daddy to use them.
Oh, we got to put the right side up. If you open it up upside down, wait a minute. This is from China. So, they're on the other side of the planet. So that means we have to open it up upside down. That way, it'll be right side up.
Okay, where do I cut?
You gotta cut the tape.
Okay,
Right here, right there.
Here?
Let me see.
So this. He's gonna cut the tape.
Ow!
What? Doesn't even hurt you.
Gotta go. So if we open this upside down, because China's upside down on the other side of the planet, then you could be. All right.
Because I was gonna put it in the corner.
I've been wanting to get a chair from downstairs. Why, look, it's cardboard. Oh, instructions. All right, you're usually in charge of the instructions, right?
Oh, we remember this because we saw one. Right?
Yeah, we saw it at Ollies. No, hold that. Let's see here. We got a steering wheel.
It's not a steering wheel.
Ahoy, skipper! Steering wheel.
That's for the bottom.
Machine gun platform. Oh, these balloons.
Yeah, the blue in there.
Wait, I think I got a balloon trick. Ready to go, watch. Bam! Hey. Ooh,
The cushion.
a cushion. Breathe the air from China. COVID. Here. Yeah. Yeah. Here, just see if you can test that cushion out. Is it cushiony?
Ow.
Okay, here's the back.
I think this goes over here.
Franky Cheese Studio has splurged on a chair from Ollies. They always find
Daddy,
something at
think
Ollies.
this video will be the popular?
Oh. I got this because it looks like my chair at work. More cardboard. More
Daddy, do
cardboard.
you like me, kitty?
Look out!
Ah.
More cardboard. Oh, here's one handle. Here's the other handle.
Now you can put me in.
Oh, here's the wheels. And other stuffs. What's down here? More cardboard. All right, come
No, this cardboard.
here.
Get the
We
cardboard.
could say we got something from, we've ordered a child.
Wait. How about the cardboard?
Oh, you can walk on that. It'll be nice and soft for your feet.
But I'm flat.
Here, let me see.
I can't get in.
Okay, you get it. Ah.
I'll be in here for the rest
Okay,
of the
hold
video,
it.
guys.
And I'll say, I'll go. All right, here we go. Ready?
Wait, get my kitty. Get my kitty.
Where's your kitty?
My kitty.
Is this your kitty?
No?
Is this your kitty?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Ah, there's tape stuck to my shoe. It's so hard. All right, ready? Oh, here, okay. Okay, we got a box from China. I wonder what's in it. Ah, they shipped me a child. Why, hello. Where are you from?
Daddy, do you like me, kitty?
Is this your kitty? Is this your kitty? Where's your kitty? Where's your kitty? All right, ready? Oh, here, okay. Okay, we got a box from China. I wonder what's in it. Ah, they shipped me a child. Why, hello. Where are you from? Daddy in. All right, so that is the box.
What's this?
Dun, 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 dun. It's G, the dancing machine.
I need
All right, get the instructions.
First, we need everything.
Instructions say to put the wheels on.
Put the wheels on. I think I don't know.
One wheel. I'm just guessing. I didn't even look at the instructions. Two. This is the part where we speed the film up. Three.
I can't do this.
4. 5. There are 5 wheels. Ooh, it's smooth.
Alright, let's get gas next.
Oh, here's something that does something.
What up on the...
Hey, does the instructions say we need tools? We have to use the child-safe scissors again.
Right here.
There's more stuff in here. It says, do not throw away. Ooh! And now I beseech to you, this tool, the Excalibur Allen key. Here you go, hold on to that. Alright, and then, what do the instructions say next?
What's the stand?
Let's see what's in here. Let's get our child-safe scissors again. Oh, what is that?
Oh, you put that right here.
It's a landmine.
I think you put it right
I
here.
think that's where it goes. But wait, which way does it go? I think it goes this way.
Now what do we have?
Wait, let me look at the instructions. Yeah, it does go that way.
We're following the instructions. We're actually not following the instructions.
All right, we gotta flip this over. Ooh. So this goes on there. Yeah. Yes. Oh. Like that. Rounded end. This goes here like that. All right, ready. Now for the handles. Happy boy. Okay, give me the Allen.
Wait. We need the screw thing.
Give me the Allen key over there next to you. Excalibur, I need it.
What?
That Allen key right there. Boy.
We got the wheels on. I think we're not ready yet. Because we still need Dad to talk. That more finished, right, Daddy?
Yep.
This is putting us chairs so far. I'm happy boy.
I'm happy boy. Oh, I did great things.
Tis the season to be jolly.
La, 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 la.
Boys are going off outside, guys.
Wait a minute, something doesn't seem right here. That seem right? I don't know. I wish they get a picture of the chair. A picture of the chair. That's wrong. I knew he should have ordered the ink schlots. Chocolate.
But you gave me the
You got...
Daddy, look, these can go through the wheel. We don't really want to go in that bathroom, but we had to. Like, Daddy?
Or not a truck stop, an interstate toilet system.
Daddy, are we going to be done soon?
Yeah. This is kind of boring. Is this boring? I think it's boring.
This is going to be the worst video ever.
This is going to be the worst video ever. And it's going to be even worse than... what would be worse videos than this?
I don't know, but
Smashing Pumpkins?
the Smashing Pumpkins, no.
You like the Smashing Pumpkins.
I didn't like the one we did this year. I liked the one we did last year. We run over the pumpkins.
What was wrong with throwing pumpkins off the ladder? Wasn't that fun?
No,
How come?
I didn't get to go in the lab.
You could have went on the ladder.
No, it's too big.
You're scared to go on the ladder, is that what?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, that's not a reason not to like it. You could have liked it.
Hey, what's this for?
There's probably something we're missing, and now I'm going to fall on my butt. Okay, so it looks like we're good now, see? So this is on, using the Magic Excalibur Allen key. Now the next part is this goes... Yeah. Or no, it goes like this. Wait, this is the back. So it goes towards the back. So this goes here like that. But what goes on first? The chicken or the egg? Nope. Step 2. This is step 2. So let's find the bolts for this, and this we have to use washers.
Let's go to stop.
There'll be 4 of them. Got 4 bolts over here.
Did I tell them describe the Devil's Corner in like all my videos?
Subscribe to Genevieve's Corner and like all her videos.
Yep. What these O's on the ground?
I don't know. So these go here, like that.
Look, we still have one piece over there.
Yep, that goes on last. Last, what do you say? How it goes is it's called what? Last but not least. And then we can test it out. And I bet you the kitties are going to go on this, you said, right?
Yep, that's what I said.
It's going to turn into a kitty chair.
Meow. You got this on, you got that hand on.
This one here, like, get down and tighten this down. What bolts we got left?
Yep.
We got a long one and a short one.
We have 3 O's and 3 bolts.
Please subscribe.
Daddy,
You would like to get some funding
You
for
have
some coal supplies.
people that subscribe to yours. You don't need another subscriber.
We got enough. We got enough. Okay, now for the final piece that goes somewhere over here.
Come on, let's put this on first. Then we'll put this on last.
What the heck did this goes on last? This goes on last. But it looks like it would be 1,000 times easier if this went on first. It's gonna be tough.
Daddy, can
Alright,
I
how's
get
this
Go
going?
Color?
Yeah, we're almost done. Here, I need your help though. So, you need to hold this up like this.
Okay.
I'm gonna go down here and get some of these bolts.
Hurry.
Hurry! Hurry, hurry!
So guys, at least what he's doing there.
I dropped one.
Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button.
It says warning. You got it? If you're over 300 pounds, do not buy this chair. All right, see if we can get this in here. Watch your hand. Come on. Wait, look. Back up so they can see in the camera. Cue the interstellar music. We are lined up. Oh.
Oh, wait, I have to hold it? Okay,
Yep.
okay.
Tighten this in there. Like that. Let me get this one here.
Guys, then we have to put that on there. That's the last thing. Like that.
The last thing. The final thing. Which it says there. You're doing a bit of 3D theater.
Yeah.
All right, Genevieve, I need your help. Now the final part. Okay. Ah! Okay, get down and line me up.
Where?
Cue the interstellar music. Do,
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 do, do, do, do, do. Do, 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 do.
Oh, look at that.
I want to go get Kit
Here,
Kat.
try it out. Have a seat.
But I want to go get Kit Kat to go on there.
She'll get on it eventually. Oh, how's the seat?
Spin me.
You spin
Is it
me
comfy?
right round, baby, right round. Like a record player, round, round, round.
Guys, he's
You
really
spin me
big.
right round, baby,
Guys,
round, round. Like a
I
record
can't do
player,
this.
round, 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 round.
Guys.
All right, now try to stand. Dizzy. And there you have it. Office chair from Ollies.
Spin me again.
Ollie, 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 Ollie.